Hello, dear traders. Welcome back here one more time with Eric in Lion Bull Academy. Today we are a Friday and I have a special video for you. I think like almost everybody who are now in the world on investing was here about the so important IPO of the broker of Robinhood. Yeah, coming out some days ago. I don't know. I was no have money in the time to invest, and I missed that great opportunity, and I was not able to make some quick money because really it was really faster. I still can make money maybe in the long term, but at the moment I think I have better options. So I'm gonna give you today one alternative investment that can make you, for don't say the same, can even possibly give you more than what give Robinhood in the last 4 days. Let's first talking about little bit. Let's make a better position, more comfortable, and talking a little bit about Robinhood. Okay, what is Robinhood? It's a broker, for don't say is the broker more used in America. I think everybody use Robinhood the most. I think 90% of the people probably use Robinhood. Why is that? I just tell you by what I know. I example the other day called me my cousin who is American guy, and he told me that he just now start investing, and the platform he chose was Robinhood. And he asked me for some advice, so I helped him a little bit. I'm very happy he started investing, so that's nice. He now start thinking about his future also. So Robinhood, let's dig in a little bit about Robinhood. How much money he made the year 2020? How much users he have right now? So in the year 2020, Robinhood generate 682 million dollars in revenue, and he have for the May 2020 was have 13 million active users. Now they think that have around 20,000 million. I think for 2021 it's already around 20,000 million. He was have his IPO in the pre-IPO. He was valued at 20 billions, and now they still have a valuation around 40 billion. So that's what they're talking about. So great. Let's look now the alternative. We're talking about one IPO. Okay, it's not really an IPO, it's one SPAC because they choose other way to come in the market. And we're talking about the SPAC of Etoro with FinTech Corporation with FTCV. What is a SPAC? It's just when two companies merge together for become one. It's one way to go also in the market for don't need to file, write too much file, don't make too much documents, and it's a faster and easier way to do it. So Etoro generate in 2020 605 million in revenue, almost the same money make Robinhood, almost a little bit less, and they believe it that in the conservative way they believe it that they can reach 2.5 billion dollars in revenue by 2025. So really have a great huge potential. This company is a new company that have maybe from 2006 or 2007 start this company, so it's really a company that do have so many years and it's just growing exponentially. The SPAC that they are now actually in have a valuation of 10 billions, but they was they thinking, that's what I was reading other place, that can arrive to even a valuation of 20 billions in the near future. So we now can understand that they are at the moment in the pre-IPO and the SPAC moment, still before the merge. We have Robinhood that have a valuation of 20 billion and Etoro that have a valuation of 10 billion, so they half. So that can give also one idea the world can arrive. I believe it that in the medium long term, Robinhood can achieve above the $140. I'm sure about it. And then if we put then half, then we can say around 70 can be Etoro. But in the end of the video, I will tell you my personal valuation of this price. So let's find out a little bit more information about Etoro, because you want to know what is this company, really if it's deserved to be owned for a period of time for make some money here. So if you go in the web page of Etoro, etoro.com about investors, You can find the press release, some news that you can read in. The investor presentation is one PDF where explain you. I was make a video about this presentation that explain you all what they are waiting for the future and what actually they make till now. You have the investor webcast. It's a small audio, small, around 20-minute audio that explain a little bit about the company. You have also one transcription about it, and then you have the SEC documents. Here is where you can find information about the insiders who buy and who sell stocks of this company. Now let's check the investor update of June 2021. Okay, before that, let's talking about Etoro careers. If you are a good if you need a job and you are from the sector of finance, Etoro always try to hire new people. So I'm not nothing to do with Etoro about this one. I just like it because I think if you have a potential, why not? You can even go working. Maybe you can give me some inside information like that. Would be nice. So I just show you this page for show you which office they have it. They have two main offices, the big ones. Then is one in Israel and one in Cyprus. And then they have other office in UK, in USA, in Australia, in Gibraltar, in Malta, in Denmark, Belgium, in Germany, in Singapore, and in the Iceland, Seychelles. Well, in the Iceland would be nice to go work in. It's a paradise. So that's just for you have a little bit idea. Let's now look in what Etoro give for us for this June 2021. What update give it to us? So he said that now, right now, in the first quarter of 2021, Etoro have a 20.6 million users, similar to what have Robinhood, in 100 different countries, when Robinhood is only in America. Have 1,200 employees. What's mean? Last year they was having around 860 employees. So they increase also the amount of people working for them. I hope also now they're gonna start concentrating also in their servers because I think they still need to working on it. They block some time and I don't like that one the most when so many new users start going inside of the platform. You can see that the growth of new user it's really amazing, it's incredible. So incredible growth have this company. They have founded 1.5 million of founded accounts around the world. 69% of them are from Europe, 17% are from Asia, 9% from America, and 5% from the Middle East and Africa. You can see that the strong momentum from 2020 till 2021 continue grow. Already in 2020 was amazing. In just first quarter they grow 1 million of new user, but this 2021 was even better. In the first quarter of 2021 they increased 3.1 million new users. In totally a 214% increase in users. So really incredible. And the trade was something even better. Was amazing. I don't know how much money they can make with the brokers. They calculate that by in 2020 in the first quarter they was have 63 million trades open, 63 million of trades, 63 million. And in 2021 first quarter they have 210 million, an upside of 233%. Really incredible the amount. I think that this increase of trades is because of cryptos, because you know in this 2021 the cryptos go over the roof and I think it's because of that. Okay, we miss. You can read it after yourself if you want to read in what the director Johnny Asai have to say for us. But let's look in a little more information. Here you can see all the regulation they have it really a lot. One of the more important that I like it, really interesting, is the regulation they have in Gibraltar that is about crypto. So that's really interesting to keep in mind. They are, I think, now one of the first who get regulation about crypto. You can see the community how it's grow incredibly. And now let's look in their product, what they offer to the investor. They have a multi-asset. What's mean multi-asset? They have stocks, ETF, commodities, cryptos, copy portfolios, and copy trade. They have really a lot of different kind of assets you can trade in or invest in. They are commission-free stock investing. It means you have commission-free for stock and ETF that are without leverage. For the rest, you pay a small commission. They was one of the first who make the social trading. Really, I think they was the first. Is just this incredible idea to merge together, to put together the trading investment plus the social network, so you can talk with other investors, share your thought, looking other person what they thinking about the market. You can also go inside, looking their portfolios immediately in live market. You can see how they are performing. So really nice. They have the crypto asset, of course. I think, by my point of view, until now, I don't know if they already changed this one, but till now, they are the more easy. Is the most easy way to buy crypto is in Etoro. Why? Because you can exchange fiat to crypto very faster. You can do it really this one in any broker for crypto, but you can exchange also the same faster crypto to fiat. That's not every broker can do that. You instantly can change Bitcoin to dollars or XRP to dollars and immediately put outside this money and put in your bank. So this is one stuff that other broker I don't think have it. The portfolios, okay, this I already was explained. I would explain a little bit down about the copy portfolio, but just give me a time. And here we have a new tool that they have it, and it's talking Etoro Money. This is now in beta. You can find only in England, in the UK, but very soon in this year gonna be available for all the Europe. Etoro Money is just a way to have first and all your crypto in one place, and also your bank account can become your bank account. You're gonna get one IBAN, and you're gonna have one Visa card. They have access direct to your trading account. You can put money inside, you can put money outside without pay commission about that. You can any bankomat, any bank, you just put your card inside and put it outside. You can buy even products in the shop, and also gonna be without commission, how I say you. And you can even if you have, I don't know, salary, they can send you directly inside your Etoro account, or you can put your bills also there to be taken from your portfolio. So like this, you can use also like your bank. Other stuff that recently other brokers start use it, but still Etoro is the best in this one. We're talking about the popular investor. What is popular investor? If you're a good trader or good investor and you make good money, Etoro will call you, or you can apply for try to become a popular investor. Popular investor is more people copying you, more money you can make. Etoro will pay for you keep happy that investors. Let's say they just copy your portfolio, and by copying your portfolio, the investor will make the same percentage of profit you are made, but also for you, Etoro will give you money, like in reward for what the great job you are doing. For people who are not good in trading, it's not a problem. The popular investor is also nice because you can copy other traders if you really don't have idea how to trade, and make more. They will make money for you without paying nothing. You don't need to pay nothing for that. And like this, you also can make grow your account without do exactly nothing. Just copy. Now we have the copy portfolio. What is that? It's just portfolios that Etoro create, or other companies inside of Etoro create, that you can invest your money in. It's like a copy. You can put there your money, and Etoro will take care of that portfolio. He will buy, sell, close, rearrange your portfolio, everything alone. And the nice is don't have management fees. If you normally buy one ETF or something, you always have a small fees to pay a year. But in the copy portfolio, you don't have that one because it's the own broker who propose you these copy portfolios, and they make money by the spread. Etoro Money, I already explained about that. Registered user, we already talking about this. New register, you can say then in the 2019 and 2020, just in the first quarter of 2021, we almost make the same amount of all the year in 2020 of new users. So you can see how much increase this company, how it's growing really faster. The funded account also exponentially grows. The distribution we already looking. The trades we also looking. Let's look in the commission. How Etoro make money. So Etoro make money principally, normally with the most of these three stuff. The commission by trading activities mean the spread by the spread is the different price by sell and buy. Example, if you want to buy gonna show you one number. If you want to say show you all, and the difference between these two prices will be the spread. This is the commission they get for them. This is the money you pay for open one operation. If you don't know what is a spread, good, you can go in Lion Bull Academy channel and write in spread Lion Bull Academy, and will for sure appears that video. Then they have the interest. It means if you are in a position that is leverage, you need to pay a small commission each time you hold this position for a period of time, each day, you can say. And other charts can be like currency conversion, how here is writing, and also the fees by withdraw the money from the broker. So this is the commission they make here. In 2019, they make 194 millions in spread commissions. They make a 30 million in interest commission and a 21 million in other charge. In 2020 was 523 million in commission in spread, 43 million in interest, and 36 million in other charge. You can see that the interest and other charge don't change too much, but the commission in the spread change a lot. This is because it's more traders now in the market, it's more instrument to trade, and they now have more trades each year. That's why the revenue increased so much, really a lot, almost I think around 200 something % year by year. So really a very strong company. The balance sheet, I still want to see the real number. This is, I think they just corrected for make beautiful, but I will waiting when they already merge for really start digging inside of that company in all the value. I will make a video also about it. Annual profit losses and the adjusted EBITDA. In 2019, they have adjusted EBITDA of 10.182, and in 2020, 99.173. So you can say almost a 900% increase in value. So that was it. If you want to know about the SEC documents, when you click in SEC documents, will appear this page to you, where you can dig inside of the documentation they send it to the SEC. Example, in the ownership disclosure, you click in view all insider transaction and then click in the last one, you can see the last insiders movement. And we especially see here that the Luxor Capital Partner, Luxor Capital Wavefront, and Luxor Capital Offshore Master Fund, they heavily start invested in this company. They bought in $10, in 11, in 12, and the more higher price they get was in 12.61. So if the insider are buying so stronger, something is mean. And we have now the luck that we can buy in the same time before the merge together with the big investors. So this have to also keep in mind. Many persons in Robinhood don't have the luck to can buy before big investor enter in. Now we are lucky and we can do that too. Let me now show you a graphic that what can happen. So this is a graphic that just show the percentage of the closed price, and in the 4 days after the IPO, Robinhood make 100% profit. Now it's actually a 46%. And let's look now in the candlestick. You can see that was have a high of almost 85. So imagine you bought in the IPO when the price was around 35 and close in 85. You make an incredible return just by some days. That's what with an IPO, the hype in the IPO. I believe that in the medium long term, the price I think will be over $140. So this also need to keep in mind. But now we have the chance to do the same with this stock. FTCV. FTCV is who gonna merge with Etoro and gonna become the stock of Etoro. Actually, we are at the price of 10.46. Remember that this stock have a lowest of $10. That is, I think, the guaranteed price at the moment for the investor of FTCV. So before the merge, I doubt that we're gonna see below $10. But you know, normally is the guarantee price. So if you go below and they fail for the merge, they need to give you back at the price of $10 the money. We have a huge potential. Now I'm gonna tell you my point of view of which price we can see. I have the lowest and more conservative. I think we're gonna arrive around $30. The medium is around 60, and the highest I see around $100. This is for the medium term, medium long term. Okay, can be a hype in the price very short that I don't know even can touch 100 in some days and then come back down. That can be. I hope this will be the case. Then I will close in that place and wait until the price come back down for buy again my number of shares that I'm interested. But that's we don't know. So that was everything for today. I hope you like the video. I hope I give you some useful information that may be thinking you about this stock. Remember, if you was not able to buy Robinhood, now you still have a chance to get this one right and make some profit there. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do it my own research. You need to do it yours. This is not my advice. You can do whatever you want it. This is my example of what I will do it. Imagine if you put $1,000 at the price, what is actually, and really his spike $200, you can make from I don't know from 100 stocks you can make $10,000. $1,000 can become $10,000 immediately. So the risk reward for losing $1,000 and win 10,000, it's really, for me, it's very interesting. I don't know for you, but for me that's really interesting. I hope you like the video. You have some question down in the comments, you can write me, or you have the Telegram channel that you can always write me. I'm always available there. And that was everything for today. So thank you one more time. See you next time. Ciao, guys. 21.